Hello, Sharon here from Mind Healing Harmony. Welcome to my channel and I hope you enjoyed today's session with me. What are we going to be doing today? We're going to be doing meditation, which is very, very important, and we really need to be doing meditation, if not on a daily basis, 5, maybe 6 days out of 7. It really helps to balance you and it helps you to focus and to use your vision. And that is your inner vision with your mind. When you want to be looking toward doing something or achieving a goal, it's a really good way of centering yourself. So right now, I'd like you to maybe get a cushion, and I want you just to sit cross-legged on the cushion with your back against the wall. So you're nice and comfortable, and just sit up straight. Because what we're going to learn today is what we need to do when we meditate. So just have your hands with your thumb finger and middle finger and your hands turned up on your knees. That's how we would start our position. So what I'm going to do this from is my book that I did publish called Move Your Kids' Butts. This book was a school program I put together for children, and to give them an active program that was interesting and fun and able to increase most of their school base in school, including their minds, and just to make teachers and personal trainers' lives a little bit easier. So I'll just find my page, which is meditation. Okay, so here we are, and we're at week 9, meditation. Okay, so later on I might actually show you how to do Salute to the Sun, but it's nice to do Salute to the Sun, which is a yoga sequence just to limber up the body and to get into a nice chilled place. Otherwise, what I want you to do is just to sit down in that position, and right now I want you to close your eyes, okay? Now you will need complete quiet, and I want you to concentrate on your breathing. So here we go. I'm going to be reading this out from my book. I want you all to now close your eyes and relax your mind. So think of nothing. We're going to start with your feet, which I want you to relax. Relax your feet and make sure they are feeling very, very light. I want you to breathe in and out. Now I want you to continue that relaxation through your lower leg area, your knees, your calves, and I want you to then keep building that through to the top of your legs, to your hamstrings and your quadriceps. Breathing in and out. Now I want you to relax the bottom of your belly, your rib cage, your chest. Breathing in and breathing out. Drop your shoulders away from your neck, and then also relax your arms. Have your hands feeling heavy towards your knees. Hold your neck up straight and your head so that you are getting the most amount of oxygen. Breathing in and out. Excellent. Your body should be feeling light, and you should be able to feel as if you are going to float away. Continue breathing in and out, relaxing. 3 breaths. Breathe in and out. Breathing in and out. Once again. And out. Now, if this is too much for you, wouldn't you bet it? There we go. Now, if you'd like to, just lie down and bend your knees up so that you're looking after your lower back and you can do your yoga on the floor. And meditate. So what I want you to do now is clear your mind, and we're going to start to build a picture. What I want you to imagine is yourself on a holiday on a tropical island. You are sitting on the beach. You are sitting on beautiful white sand, and you can see the sun streaming down on you. And the sun feels wonderfully warm on your body. Can you feel it? There are palm trees around you, so small bits of shade and sun are striking your body. There is a slight breeze that caresses your face. It is a beautiful day, and one where you are glad to be sitting on the beach, looking out at the ocean. You look to your right and you see a young boy and girl. They are making sandcastles. They are having a great time on the beach. And you can see the water lapping up to them and touching their feet. They are both laughing and happy. It makes you smile to yourself. It's great to see people when they are happy, and you decide then to stand up and slowly walk towards the water as it looks so very enticing and cool. The sun is still warm and you feel slightly hot. So you walk up to the water's edge and put both of your feet into the water. The feeling is of immediate relief. It feels cool and wet on your feet. You wander in a little bit further to your knees, and the water is wonderfully cool, lapping around your legs. It's a true delight. To the left, a man whistles, and you see a dog rushing into the water to retrieve a ball. He comes back out of the water and shakes himself. Boy, does that dog look happy. The man walks up to you and he smiles. He doesn't say a word, as if he knows that you are having time to yourself. You start to leave the water. You play with the sand with your feet, and it feels coarse but cool. It is dry on top, but slightly wet and cool below. You lie back and place your hands behind your head. You are so relaxed. It has been a grand day. And you think how grateful you are to be right where you are. It is now time to come back to the present. Wriggle your toes, wriggle your hands. Slowly breathe in and out. Become aware of your surroundings and open up your eyes. Sit up nice and straight and slowly, for you should now feel re-energized and relaxed. Well done, everybody. that is just an introduction into visualization when you're meditating. So I have a question for you. What type of dog did you envision? If you'd like to put that in the comments, please do. And if you want to, what man did you have coming along the beach with the dog? And who were the young boy and girl? Were they somebody you knew? Or were they somebody that you made up? This is a really good way of introducing being able to vision what you want. Was it in black and white for you, or colour? Because all of us are different, and there is no right and there is no wrong. Was there a particular beach that you envisioned? Have you been there? Was it somebody that you know who's been there? Was it a beach you've seen in a magazine? These are all the things that we learn with when we want to envision something, when we want to capitulate and make something come to fruition. Having a vision of that is really important, which I'm pretty sure is why vision boards are still used today, because they help you to envision, and you always look at it on a daily basis to envision what you want futuristically. And then the universe helps you to create that with the time and energy that you put in. So well done everybody who went through the meditation, and you can use this anytime. There's many different ways to meditate, but this is one specific way that you can meditate, and it's really great with kids because you can teach children what visualization is and what meditation is, and sometimes they find it really fulfilling because they love telling you what their dog was at the end. I can guarantee you that. Well, thanks everybody for your time today. I've really enjoyed sharing this with you. I wish you a fabulous rest of your day. And if you like my video for today and would like to subscribe, please click the like button and the subscription button. And I really look forward to sharing some more time with you in the near future. Take care, everyone.